Alright, welcome to Tier 1 of Military Might. One of the oldest events in the game, and you can only use rebels and clones. And this time I'm going to use clones, well, mostly clones. So my Rex Gear 10, I want to use them, but I really couldn't because I don't have General Kenobi yet. And I don't have Darth Nihilus at a high gear level, and I definitely don't have Chaze ready. But just for this video's sake, I'm going to run Baze, who is 3-star, Gear 9. He's almost Gear 10, but I have to, in order to get him to Gear 10, I still need 48 scanners and 13 droid callers, and they can only be, they're from the Rancor Ray, and I cannot control what gets dropped and what doesn't, and all the payments from the shops and such are pretty bad value. I'm gonna run Chirrut as well, level 65, 5-star, but only Gear 7. Base is much easier to gear than Chirrut, and is actually still very usable alone, while Chirrut not so much. Whoa. So, my advice: get Base up first if you can get him. I farmed him mostly from the shard shop. From the normal crystal shipments, but I'm also doing the daily 3 attempts at his heart notes. Alright, I'm gonna give everyone tenacity up so the Magnet Troopers cannot take away my chair meter anymore, and just do the LE. Remove their. Oh, come on, really? Oh, God, you're kidding me. Alright. Tier 1. Now, Phase 1 and Chirrut already lost all his protection, but he has counter attacks, health steal, as well as healing over time. He should be fine. Yay. See, he already has 3 healing overtimes, and his special grants him even more healing. Every turn as long as he has healing overtime. Alright. Tier 2. Phase 2. Wow, I would never get this right. So again, we start with Magnet Trooper. So this attack, because they're all Empire characters, they will automatically remove 25%, so this should kill Magnet Trooper instantly. And I'm gonna call Chirrut's assist on the Sand Trooper commander. Alright. Oh. He did not heal. For some reason I was expecting the commander to heal because all of himself and all his troops are green, but I honestly don't care. So everyone has tenacity up, so Vader cannot does this damage over time thing. More tenacity up. Of course he does. So I have Clone Sergeant at 7-star gear level 10, and he hits pretty hard, and I will love him once I get Cody to gear 10. Right now he's at gear 8, and to get to gear 9 he still needs 1 furnace and 2 cuffs, and it's just way too much gear. So right now I don't think it's worth it, but I will probably have to get him up Sunday. But yeah, Clone Sergeant is really great. And right now Clone Sergeant, 5s, and Base are the only 3 that still has protection. And Base is slowly losing it. Surge's level's too low, just doesn't do any damage, even though he's supposed to be the heavy hitter here. And Base is now out of protection. By Tier 7, this should be the Snowtrooper level. Sorry, I don't know why my iPad is making that sound. I don't like it, but I don't know if there's anything I could do about it. I think it's with the audio. I'll just turn it down a bit. You know what? I'll just mute it. That doesn't sound good at all. Alright, now. So Stormtrooper, I'm gonna go for Stormtrooper first. Saving all my special abilities for the final round, even though it shouldn't be really necessary because it's the normal round. It's not hard at all. And he heal. I'm fine with him healing because that means they're not attacking me. Final round, slow. Nah, go for the quote-unquote big attack. Nope. This is what's great about Base. He gains 5% turn meter every time an enemy gains a buff. And this comes in really handy. I'm gonna regret this because Rogar's gonna taunt right now. Tenacity up, remove turn meter. I already have tenacity up, don't need it anymore. Go for the highest health. Going for the lowest health. And Rogar, oh, right, he's taunting. And this one is dead. Yep. And percentage damage. Oh, he's not dead, but he will be soon. Alright, so this is tier 1 of military might. Not too hard. I would assume you can beat was a good Wix team. Gear 8 or 9 should probably do it. More junk. Already have both of them at max. Useless rewards again. I'll be back later for whatever I'm doing next. Shark Shop. My Grievous is 6.5 and at least I contributed to that, so I'll see you later.